Today, the Himayat, you can say the associated of these, one of the agencies of the NRLM, they have launched a mobile sensitization van. So they are just focusing on these intending beneficiaries under Himayat program. Those youths who want to get their skill development programs or who want to enroll themselves in the skill development program, they are to be sensitized, they will be enrolled, and subsequently they will be placed also, I suppose. And this is one of the, you can say, the series of events which the Himayat program is organizing across the state, and today they have, you can say, started or initiated this initiative in Srinagar district also. And we from this from the administration side assure all kind of assistance and all kind of cooperation to them, and we are here to rope in each and every intended beneficiary who wants to get benefit from this program.